not only in the nation, but in the world, no one can replace our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Our Karyakartas are our celebrity, not only cricketers. Vadodara, the land of Vadodara is, the homeland towards many traditional games also, like Malkham and all those things. Kusti, there are a lot of akhadas if you can visit and make a small documentary on how historically Vadodara is famous for the sport.
Joined by Dr. Hemang Joshi here in Baroda, who is BJP's candidate. He has replaced once who was the Prime Minister of this country. Dr. Saab, you have actually indirectly today replaced Narendra Modi Saab, who won it from the same constituency in 2014. आज आपको कितना नाज होता है और गर्व होता है कि आप नरेंद्र मोदी जी के शूज में हैं और एक यंग कैंडिडेट हैं, कितना आज आपको फख्र होता है और कितना डर भी लगता है?
I believe not only in the nation, but in the world, no one can replace our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The work which he has done, the promises which he has kept, it is the result of that India is looking forward towards the Viksit Bharat 2047.
Right.
And I firmly believe that Vadodara is a land of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi. And the people of Vadodara will definitely give the strong lotus towards Delhi and their love towards Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi.
डॉक्टर साहब देखिए, एक बात सुनिए जोशी साहब कि एक टाइम वो था जब प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ से इलेक्ट होके गए और जब हुए तो दो क्षेत्रों से थे, लोकसभा क्षेत्रों के दो रहे, एक तो बनारस और एक ये। तो आपको लगता है कि इस बार जब आप जीते आएंगे तो आपको भी उनके कैबिनेट में कहीं ना कहीं हिस्सा मिलेगा?
We are a Karyakartas and we doesn't look forward towards all those responsibilities. Whatever work is been assigned from the party to us, whether it is a booth level worker or a Shakti Kendra in charge, or we need to distribute the leaflets, or anyone giving a berth in the cabinet, all work is the same and all Karyakartas are same.
There was also a time when the Baroda king in 1960s fought on the Congress ticket. कितना आज आपको डिफरेंस महसूस होता है कि एक समय बड़ौदा के किंग लड़ा करते थे और आज एक आप जैसे फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट भी हैं और साइकेट्रिस्ट जैसे डॉक्टर्स, मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर्स भी आपको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आपकी मेडिकल फैटर्निटी से, तो आज आपको नाज होता है कि कहाँ एक राजा भी 1962 और 61 में कांग्रेस टिकट पे लड़ता था और एक आप तरफ है?
It is the culture of Vadodara. It is the essence of democracy of India that anyone in the nation can become member of parliament. And this is the beauty of our nation. So I believe that it's not a matter of pride whosoever was the member of parliament. But yes, indeed it's a great...
बड़ौदा के राजा आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
I just met our Honorable Maharaja Sahib and Rajmata, the Chancellor of MS University of Vadodara, and they have blessed me with their wishes, and also time to time I will keep visiting them for taking some suggestions for the betterment of the city.
डॉक्टर साहब, ऑल्सो आई फील कि आप ही के बड़ौदा से बड़े सारे क्रिकेटर्स आगे निकले, नयन मोंगिया हो, अंशुमन गायकवाड़ हो, इरफान पठान हो, यूसुफ पठान हो, और कुछ ही दूर चाहे भले ही बरूद से भी क्रिकेटर्स हों, तो आपको लगता है कि मुनाफ पटेल हो जैसे, तो आपको लगता है क्रिकेटर्स की जो भूमि है वो बड़ौदा है, क्रिकेटर्स आपके सपोर्ट में आने चाहिए या कोई कैंपेन के लिए भी आ सकता था?
It's not about, we are never wooing for any celebrities for the campaign. Our Karyakartas are our celebrity and they are the ambassadors of the work we do.
लेकिन यूसुफ पठान टीएमसी में जाके लड़ रहे हैं, आप ही के डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, आप ही के बड़ौदा से टीएमसी चले गए बंगाल में जाके।
वो तो राहुल गांधी भी कहीं कहीं जा रहे हैं, सभी जगह पे कंफ्यूज है, तो इट्स ओके, इट हैपेंस, इट्स अ नेचर ऑफ।
लेकिन नाज होता है कि इस बड़ौदा की भूमि ने बड़े क्रिकेटर्स प्रोड्यूस करे।
Not only cricketers, Vadodara, the land of Vadodara is, the homeland towards many traditional games also, like Malkham and all those things. Kusti, there are a lot of akhadas if you can visit and make a small documentary on how historically Vadodara is famous for the sports. So that also you can do.
और कभी मोदी जी से या अमित शाह जी से मुलाकात हुई?
I think I have met them twice and I think we need to go, so we need to wrap up this.
Right. So that was Dr. Hemang speaking to us on the New Indian here in Baroda. You can see the mood is quite electrifying. He is going for a bike rally with his supporters today in the heart of Baroda. I can tell you that of course we are joined by the prominent BJP leaders. Sir, आज आपको कितना नाज होता है? आपसे कई बारी दिल्ली में भी मुलाकातें हुई. How proud do you feel that you have someone here who is contesting from the same constituency where Narendra Modi Sahab also contested in 2014?
It is proud to be a candidate from where our Honorable Prime Minister has been the nominee of this Lok Sabha seat. Earlier, my sister Ranjan Ben Bhatt was contesting and she got almost more than 5 lakhs votes margin. Last time 585. So this is the precious seat for BJP and it's a prominently seat for BJP. Nothing to worry about the victory. It is the only a question of how much lead we get. Whether we will be able to cross the earlier, yes, we will be. We will be crossing more than 6 lakh votes as a margin. And it will be one of the seats in Gujarat that will be number 1, 2, 3.
राइट और सर अगर मैं बात करूं बड़ौदा की इस भूमि की तो इसने क्रिकेटर भी प्रोड्यूस करे, इसने राजा भी दिए. 1962 में कांग्रेस की टिकट पे ही तब के राजा बड़ौदा के लड़ा करते थे और आज हम देखें सैयदी से लेके अब हम नीचे तक देखें तो राजा जो हैं वो क्या आपको लगता है कि भाजपा या कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करने में भाजपा की तरफ आए हैं?
See, most of the, right from the days of independence, various prominent leaders have been the member of parliament from Baroda. So Vadodara is a cultural city where the Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad's name is one of the prestigious name, not only in Gujarat but for the Indian rulers. As far as education is concerned, Vadodara is the main hub of education also.
Right.
You can see from our candidate,
He's a doctor.
he is a doctor in
He's a physiotherapist.
physiotherapy. So he studied as a student here in MS University
जी.
and as a student leader, he was our ABVP leader. Now he has been given the chance for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is the constituency where BJP all across, right from the local bodies to the parliament, there is no chance for Congress since decades.
So, of course, the prominent BJP leaders speaking to us here in Baroda, I can tell you that the mood is quite electrifying as I bring you a lot of coverage from Gujarat ahead of the May 7th third phase poll. Keep following me, Rohan Dua, and also look forward to watching our coverage on the New Union. That's about it from Baroda this evening, with few more days go to end the campaign.
वोट पे चर्चा रोहन दुआ के साथ